Good morning, everybody. It is 8:57. I have been up since 6 o'clock this morning. I am extremely tired. I tried laying down on the couch and letting the kids play, and I just can't do it. Charlotte went to sleep maybe about 30 minutes ago. She was just that pounding noise as Benny's up in the shower. But Charlotte just was super cranky this morning, so I put her down, and I want to get to the grocery store to order a cake and get a couple things before Graham goes to work, because he leaves at 11:30 for work. But I have a really bad headache. My head is just killing me right now, so I want to take some Tylenol. My heel really hurts, like I can't even walk on it. I might have to wear shoes all day today just to support my foot. But seriously, kid. But yeah, I don't know. Today's just gonna be one of those days where I'm just not gonna do, well, I really got whited out. I'm just not gonna do anything today. I don't want to do it. I just bought Tylenol and I have no idea where I put it. Maybe I put it in the other cabinet. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just having it. My heel hurts, I'm super tired. Yeah, and then after Graham got home last night, I started crying with him. And he's like, what's wrong? And I'm like, I'm not sad over the virus. I'm not sad, I'm not depressed. I'm just, I don't know. There's just something going on where I just need, you know, adult contact. Even though I call my friends and stuff on the phone. It's just I need somebody to be with me physically. I don't know, you guys. I have really no idea. But my head is just killing me. So I'm gonna have some breakfast real quick, eat something, take all my pills, and then I'm gonna get going. I'm trying to figure out what other stuff that I need for that. I want to get a bunch of like fruits and vegetables. The grocery store that I go to has a really nice produce section, so I'm trying to figure out like what I can get there, because I want to get some more fruits and vegetables for Charlotte. Ben doesn't eat very much. I don't eat very much fruits and vegetables. I need to try, but I've been really craving pineapple, so I might get some pineapple. I should do that. But I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm just gonna take my medicine and eat something. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. I'm in my garage. I'm going in the car. One thing I actually love being alone is I get to listen to my kind of music. Like, we have Sirius. We got a really good deal for it. We only pay like a couple dollars a month because, you know, we're gonna cancel it, and they're like, oh, what can we do to keep you staying? Graham's like, well, I want to pay the price that we paid when we first got the car, which was like $5 a month. So we pay $5 a month to have Sirius. But I love listening to my music, and right now I'm listening to Bad Flower. Now some of you guys might get offended by that stuff, but I'm like hardcore rock. And last night I was trying to figure out who are my top 5 favorite songs. There are some songs that I will listen to over and over and over and over again, and I could only think of 4. I know there's a 5th one, and I'm drawing a complete blank. So I'm trying to figure out what my top 5 favorite songs are. Like, Deftones is definitely included, Panic at the Disco, Saliva, and then Bad Flower. And there's one more that I'm like, seriously, I know this song, I listen to it constantly, so that is my goal for the day. I feel a little bit better now that I'm out and about. I got a different face mask on, or I got face masks all in the van just in case we need them. But yeah, this one I have a hard time. It like really hurts. It really annoys me right here, but I know I shouldn't be complaining. But it's 9:38. I'm gonna get going. Graham's like, don't take that long. Okay, Graham, I won't take that long. Okay, guys, so I've been home for like an hour, maybe. I left my camera in the van, but I'm getting Ben some lunch right now. Charlotte, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna feed her. I'm giving her some cheese right now to eat. But I got the cake ordered. What I thought was a 1/4 inch was like a tiny little thing. No, that's an 1/8 of an inch cake. And I'm like, really? So I ended up getting a 1/4 sheet of cake with a nice little design. And I got 2 smash cakes for her, because one's gonna be for her birthday party, and then one's gonna be for when we get pictures done. Because I have a good picture of Benjamin that I have with a birthday cake, so I want to kind of get the same kind of thing. So whenever it's gonna be nice sunny weather out, we're gonna take that cake outside. But I don't know, I'm just still in one of those moods, you guys. I don't know what it is, but I ended up getting myself a pineapple. I got some cheese, we got some cauliflower, I got some bananas. So I got that stuff at the grocery store, and then I ordered balloons. So we're gonna have some balloons. But I don't know, I'm just in one of those moods today. I'm not gonna do anything. I might pick up here and there, but I just don't want to do anything today. I have craft projects that I might work on, but right now I just not feeling it. Not feeling it. I have to wash some dishes, which that I'll do, but I want to just finish watching my movie that I was watching, and I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm debating on what I want. I've been craving peanut butter and jelly sandwiches lately, so I might have that. Otherwise, I don't know what we're gonna have yet, but we're just gonna kind of stay at home. Today we're not gonna go anywhere since I already left for someplace, but I think either Thursday or Friday we're gonna probably go to the library again. I'm making a list of stuff that we want to watch or stuff that I haven't seen in a while. Anytime we see like a preview for the movies that we've been watching, we're like, oh, okay, let's watch that. So I just been kind of making a list, and I write down what libraries have the movie, because there's 3 libraries that I could go to that I've been to. They're all connected to each other, but they're just not doing like, they're not having you go. Usually where you can rent, you can get something from your library and then they'll send it to your library. They're not doing that right now. So you have to go to that library directly. So I just kind of been looking and see what kind of movies we want to rent. Sorry, I'm cutting something right now. What movies we want to rent, and then we'll just, you know, go get it. But so far, every single movie that I've been wanting to watch lately, my library has. So that's kind of cool. Even though it's a tiny little library, it still has everything that I've been wanting to watch. So that is cool. But yeah, Ben doesn't want me to read any books to him. My in-laws keep sending me videos. Oh, have Ben watch this, have Ben watch that. He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to. I don't have to force it on him, you know. He can do what he wants, you know. If it was different, he doesn't really have any schooling to do, except just coloring, which he's been doing like crazy. But, you know, I'm just not gonna force it. There you go, little man. Can I have that? Give it, nope. Benny Pooh. So yeah, that's just what I've been just going through right now. So I'm hoping to have someone a productive day, but I don't know if it's depression or what it is, but I'm just kind of off. Today, I feel like stuffed up just because I've been crying off and on, but I don't know. Highlight of my day is my mom ordered something for the kids through Amazon, so she said it was supposed to be here today. I ordered something for myself. It's supposed to be here for today, and then I ordered a Mother's Day gift that was supposed to not be for a couple days. All this stuff was not supposed to be here today, and it's all showing up today. So whenever our mail shows up, she's usually here around this time because it's 12:18. But we will check. We will check. I'm just gonna have some lunch, figure out what I want. And I'll check on you guys a little bit. I'm also gonna try to work out today just to get that adrenaline. Hey you guys, so it's like 4:06. My mom surprised us and bought the kids a trampoline, an indoor one. I might bring this, I'm probably gonna bring this downstairs. No. I don't know what we're doing with it yet. I might have to move some furniture, but it was a pain in the butt to put together solo. But Ben, show everybody what you're doing.
Jump in.
Just does not want to focus on him at all. But yeah, so I gotta call my mom.
Take a long time to put this on.
Yeah, the blue ring was just a pain in the butt. I was like ready to kill somebody. So we're gonna have Charlotte try it when she gets up a little bit, but there's like a netting underneath the spring so they don't get their fingers and toes caught in it. But I wish I could jump on it, but it's got a 100-pound weight limit on it. But it's perfect for Ben and getting all this energy out of his system during this whole freaking quarantine thing. So yeah, you guys, so it is, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 5:27, okay? I'm making food, or I have food, you know, cooking right now on the stove. Ben has been jumping on that trampoline, I swear, for like the last like hour and a half. We FaceTimed my mom and we were just talking. And then Charlotte was just kind of scared of the trampoline, and now she's just like bouncy, 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 bouncing on it. She's just chilling, and yeah. So we're playing with that. Ben is loving burning all this energy. My foot is killing me. I think I like sprained my heel or something. I have no idea. but it really hurts for me to walk around. I know. But I'm gonna just kind of pick up a little bit. The house is actually not that bad. And I'm kind of excited for that. I wanted a ruler from the Cricut, so I got this. This is perfect. This is for when I want to line up my t-shirts and everything, and then when I just do a bunch of other things. So I was excited to get this. I got a really good deal for it. I bought my mom a movie that she's gonna get for Mother's Day. I told her I want to kind of meet up with her next week. We're just gonna meet halfway. We're watching The Lorax, if you guys haven't noticed. Yeah. So, I don't know. I just feel like a bum today. I don't know if it's the weather. It looks like it's going to rain, but it's not raining. The sun is not out. It's not windy. It's actually, I mean, it's decent outside. It's a little chilly. But my desk is a mess. I got to pick it up. We have these balloons I have to deflate from, you know, when I hit 40,000. And then I got to put these diapers away because the diapers, I collect the Pampers codes. And, like, they had some deal going on. So I had to, like, open all my packages that I have that I'm not using for a while yet, and I gotta pick up all Graham's tools. But yeah, I feel like I did get some stuff done. That thing was a pain in the butt to put together, and I was taking a nap until the UPS guy showed up, and then I'm just like, bleh. But I'm gonna continue making food. Ben's gonna continue jumping. Right, Ben? Are you bouncy, 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 bouncy? Miss Charlotte's like right next to me. There she is. Little stinker. She likes to open my coupon drawers and take them all out. Thanks, Charlotte. But the only thing is, most of them, like probably 90% of them are all expired. So if she wants to pull them out, I don't care. Since I haven't couponed for the last month and a half. And they also just declared the state of emergency for my county until July 15th. It's not the stay-at-home order, but it's a state of emergency. So pretty much a lot of stuff's going to still be the same way it is going right now. But I have a feeling they're going to be closing a lot of things. And then they also, I don't know if this, I think it's kind of stupid. Every state's different. But if you know, you're going to be applying for your driver's license, you just have to do a written test. You don't even have to go for a driving test with a person that grades you. Like, they're just letting people go drive for a written test. And I'm like, really? Because written tests, you could be, I don't know. I sucked at the written test, but I did okay with the driving, but I don't know. But they're doing that starting tomorrow or something like that because they don't want, you know, people being so close to each other. I don't know, but I'm going to continue checking on my food. But yeah, and then as I go pick up my grocery, or if I pick up my cake on Saturday, I got a whole list of freezer meals that I want to do, or meals that I want to make. I might try to figure out like a grocery list and get some stuff so I can do some more meals like that. Because I've been really enjoying eating at home. Graham and I both know, we used to eat out a lot. Before we had kids, we ate out all the time, you know. And we're just a people who like to just get out and about and eat out a lot. Sometimes we just, you know, bring paper plates with us and we eat in the car. But it's kind of hard to do it now with kids. But I just noticed, like, you know, Graham and I, maybe we are losing. And people are like, okay, you want to lose weight, you want to do this. I'm not going and starving myself. I am not like regular eating. I'm just kind of doing everything that I do. I'm just watching my portions of what I usually eat. That's one thing that I really have a bad problem with, is portion control. I need to cut back on a lot of sugars. Like I actually, for the last couple weeks, I've actually cut back on my sugars. I used to have like a big bowl of ice cream. Now I'm like, I don't need a big bowl of ice cream. I could just have like a scoop, you know. So it's like, I've been trying to, you know, just cut back on what I eat and everything. So there's fine. Like, I gave Graham that chocolate. He's like, started eating all of it. I says, Graham, you only need like one piece a day. It's also it's also controlling your hungry. Like, okay, if I have a piece of candy sitting in front of me, I could let it sit in front of me for days. I really know how to control my appetite, just control it. When Graham's parents come over, they help themselves to my cabinets. Like, if I don't want them eating my stuff, which I think is rude, but I have to hide some of my stuff because they're like, well, we don't have this stuff at our house because we just constantly eat it. Yeah, well, you know what? That's why we have a lot of it, because I can just let it. I've had a bag of M&Ms open that I tried, and I have like 1 or 2 a day. That's just the way I am. I really can control you know, my sugar intake and all that stuff. So that's what I want to do for that, is just, you know, cut back even more sugars and just cut back more stuff in general. You know, you guys, I still have Girl Scout cookies. I bought these like 3 months ago. February is when I bought them, and I still have them. But you know what? I only have like one at a time, and then, you know, there's that Michelle's right underneath my foot. But I'm gonna shut up now.
You shut up.
Yeah, I'm gonna shut up now and work on my food. Okay, you guys, so it is 8:42. Charlotte just passed out. Ben is already in bed laying down. I don't know, I felt like this morning was kind of bland, but I feel a little bit better today. I don't know if maybe, I don't know. But I'm having, you know, I'm gonna say this tomorrow, I hope I have more of a productive day today. I just gotta pick up more stuff, but I gotta clear off my desk again. I just want to get everything picked up again. But I think I'm gonna start getting everything ready for Miss Charlotte's birthday. I'm pretty excited for it. It's funny is when I ordered a cake today, I'm like, yep, I'm just ordering a cake for us, just the 4 of us. But it was funny. So Graham should be home probably about a half an hour or so. I think we're gonna see if I want to see if I can just hang out with him for a little bit, watch this one show we've been watching on Netflix. But other than that, I'm gonna run the dishwasher. I washed the bottles today. Charlotte keeps taking all my coupons out of my drawer, so I gotta tape those also. But yeah, I felt like, you know, I don't know, it's just one of those days. I'm not depressed or anything. I'm sad that the whole coronavirus is going on. It's just like, you know, I wanted my mom to come down. We were supposed to see Cher a month ago, and that, or actually a couple weeks ago, we were supposed to see Cher. That got canceled, or it got postponed till September, but I have a feeling it's gonna get canceled. And then the day when everything got locked down, the day, like, I went out with the kids back in March, and then like later when we got home they shut everything down. But I ended up getting tickets to go see Val and Max from Dancing with the Stars. They're doing some show and they're coming to our town, and I got tickets for that. It was going to be my mom and my best friend, and I don't know if they're going to cancel that. I don't know. I have no idea. I have a feeling the summer's going to be, you know, messed up. It's just like, Grandma, part of me just was like, let's get a hot tub or something. Even though you don't need a hot tub in the middle of summer, but just that water really, you know, cools us down. So we have no idea what we're in for, but I do need to do some couponing again just for some income. You know, there's that. But other than that, it's 8:45. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a nice day. And you guys, I don't know. I have no idea. But I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.